Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this simple yet effective lemon cream face. So let's get started. First you're gonna need a bowl and you need to put 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice. Next add the same amount of rose water. Then add just 1/2 tablespoon of cornstarch. Then put the mixture in a double boiler. If this doesn't work, you can also put it on stove and that will speed up the process. So this is what you get. Then we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Then I'm gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. And finally, 1/4 teaspoon of glycerin. Then we're gonna mix it all very well. And we will be mixing until we get this beautiful, thick, creamy consistency. So this is what our cream should look like some sort of serum, and then we are just gonna transfer this into a clean container. And once we are done with that, we can start using our cream. I suggest you to use this as a night cream, and you can store this in the fridge for like 7 to 10 days. After that, you should make a new batch. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this, give me a thumbs up and see you later. Bye!